Mahalaga sa ating buhay yung tamang priorities. When we talk about priorities and we want God to be involved in everything that we do, dapat makita natin yung priority ni God sa ating buhay. I remember a verse in the Bible in 3 John chapter 1 verse 2. It says, "Beloved, I pray that you may prosper and be in good health even as your soul prospers." In other words, nais ng Diyos na mag-prosper tayo. Nais din ng Diyos na sa ating prosperity hindi nasisira ang ating health. Nais ng Diyos na habang nagpa-prosper tayo, nagpa-prosper yung ating soul. In other words, nagiging blessed tayo at nagiging blessing tayo sa iba. Hindi tayo pabigat. Ang tamang priority is yung binigay sa atin ni Lord na nasa kamay na natin. Ano-ano yon. Kung may pamilya tayo, ibig sabihin, ang priority natin is the family, our marriage and our children. Yun ang family natin. Yun ang ating first priority. Secondly, kung meron tayong business, that is our priority, second to our family. Kasi kung hindi natin nakikita yung ating priority, magulo ang ating buhay, palagi lang tayong takbo ng takbo, parang palaging nisunog. Pero kung iaalay natin ang priority natin sa God's priority, dadali ang kanyang grasya at magiging maayos ang ating buhay. So tandaan natin, it's not the business that's our priority. Although we keep on talking about this business, our priority really is our family. But first of all, we have to understand that it's God's will for us to prosper and be in good health as our soul prospers.